Hello everybody. In today's video I will show you how to create a mail merge or data merge in Adobe InDesign. So let's get started. I have already created a sample letter in InDesign. I have also created paragraph styles for name and address. I have prepared the database in Excel. I have given appropriate field names to the address data. I'll save the database as CSV format. Click on Windows, select Utilities, then select Data Merge. This opens a panel. Click on the flyout menu of the Data Merge panel and click Data Source. Select the database.csv file and click Open. Oh, I have to close the Excel file first. Select the database CSV file and click Open. This opens a list of field names in the database. Select the text tool and click on the field to insert the data. Do this for all the other fields also. Open the paragraph styles panel and apply the name style to the name field and address style to the address field. Actually, I have InDesign Middle Eastern version, that's why it's going right to left. I should have configured it as left to right in paragraph style, which I forgot. I'm sorry for that. Now click on Preview checkbox on Data Merge panel to view the letter with data merged. You can browse the data by clicking on left or right arrows on the Data Merge panel. You can export the letter to PDF by clicking on Data Merge flyout menu and select Export to PDF. Select all the records if you want all letters in PDF. You can give a range of records also. Click on OK, then export. This creates PDF with 5 records as I selected all data while exporting. You can see that the database has 5 records. The PDF has 5 records. You also have an option to create a merged InDesign document. Go to the Data Merge flyout menu and select Create Merge Documents. Select all records and click OK. You can see that InDesign has created separate InDesign document with 5 different letters. There are 5 pages in it. I will show you one more example where you can do mail merge with photos. Create a new document. Create an image frame. Create a text frame also where we will populate text data. I have already created a database in Excel with name, title and path of the image. First field has field name as name, second field has field name as title, and the third field has field name as image with @ sign before it. You cannot type @ just like that in Excel. If you do that, it will give an error. As @ has special meaning in Excel, it has to be escaped by an apostrophe sign before @sign. Save the database as CSV. Close the Excel file. Go to InDesign and import data source in InDesign. Click on the image frame and select data from data source. Do the same with text data. Click on preview to browse the data. You can merge all data in a single file as we did earlier for data merge. You can see it has created a file with 5 pages in it with different data. So that's it for the video guys. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.